In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add issues to a GitHub project board. Whether you're managing a software project, collaborating with a team, or just organizing your work, using GitHub project boards can be a game changer in managing tasks efficiently. So let's dive right into the process and make sure you get the most out of your project board. First, you'll want to begin by opening your repository or organization on GitHub. This is where all your project's files and data are stored, and it's your central hub for interaction with the project. Now, once you're inside the repository or organization, you're going to need to navigate to the Projects tab. You can think of this tab as your gateway to project management within GitHub. It's here that you have access to all the boards you've created, allowing you to manage various tasks and keep track of workflow seamlessly. With the Projects tab open, the next step is to open the specific project board where you want to add your issues. Project boards in GitHub function similarly to a whiteboard, but digitally, enabling you to visualize the progress of your tasks through cards that represent distinct issues. After opening the project board, the next action is to click on the Add Item button. This button is typically located somewhere on the board and is your entry point to introducing new tasks or issues directly onto the board. It's important to keep this step in mind as it sets the stage for adding the specific issue you want to track. Now comes the step where you will search for the issue you intend to add. You have a couple of options for doing this. You can search by the issue number if you know it. This is a straightforward and direct method if your project consists of numerous issues. Alternatively, you can search by the title of the issue. This might be more intuitive if you remember the name or contents of the issue better than the number. Both methods allow you to find the precise issue swiftly without having to navigate through a potentially long list of other entries. Once you've located the issue using either its number or title, go ahead and select it. This action is essential because it triggers the issue to be added as a card or task on your board. And with that, you're finished. The issue you selected will now appear as a visual card on your project board, making it easy to track, manage, and update as necessary. Remember, organizing your project board with issues effectively can vastly improve the efficiency of your project management process and help ensure that your projects stay on track. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in mastering the use of GitHub project boards.